Today I'm going to rewatch an old tray flip tutorial that I made about 12 years ago and see if I can learn anything new or old.
Tray flip, today, now, learn, teach, buy.
God, the decorations in my room.
The first and most important part about learning how to tray flip is getting the right foot positioning. The first part of the actual trick,
oh my god, this
your
fit.
foot back here,
I haven't skated in shorts in years.
When you're first learning how to tray flip, you might, depending if you want to do it, because your legs might not be strong enough to flip the board and jump at the same time, or you just might not be able to do like both. For that, you just need to remember
this trick,
to jump.
I was 12 or 13 years old, and
flip.
I think I really struggled to get the full rotation. Probably my legs were not very
Another
strong.
problem people might have
Boards
is
were really
that
long
they
back
land
then,
on the
so it's very
nose,
hard
or
to
they
rotate
land
them.
with one foot off the board on the nose. You can get the flip by putting your foot a little bit farther back on the tail, but that makes the board go out forward more, so you land on the nose. What I suggest
concisely
is you really remember to put your foot right in this thing, right in this little crook, hanging off a little bit, so you get the right kind of rotation. When you're trying this trick, it takes a lot of hard work. You're not just going to learn it in one day. You got to keep on practicing and practicing, and no matter how many of these videos you watch, you're not going to get it unless you put some real hard work into it.
That remains true, and good advice. Wow. I gotta recreate this fit. That's about how my tray flips still look to this day.
Starting off in the tan bark here, just like in the video. As a long-time occasional tray flipper, this is actually more scary than trying it into concrete for me now. I'm trying to pay close attention to the foot positioning, and I'm over it. Moving over the concrete, warming the legs up. It's probably been over a year and a half since I did my last tray flip. Struggling to get the full rotation here. Yeah, younger me was totally right about tray flips almost entirely, at least for me, being all about the work you put into it. I have no desire to be good at tray flips, only the desire to be able to do them. So that's why I only do one a year.
That's crazy.
And there it is, just like in the video. Wasn't able to land a clean one, but got away with one of them.